volume on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
Yeah, this is all my stuff. I'm moving into Model Row. I got some decorations, you know, stuff in the bathroom. My bed, yeah, that's the bathroom too. Hangers, just some stuff, lamp, all this, you know. And then boom, yeah, boom. Here's a backpack full of clothes, pens, shoes, you know. And this is yeah, but this is me, and this is a light. And that's my mom. Hey, you guys, you already know what it is. Today is moving day. Hey, everybody, I'm back, and y'all are going to see my whole moving experience at Texas Southern University.
Look, wait more.
It's okay.
Okay. Pick it up. Pick the bag up. It's in the backpack.
Just so sweet. I don't know what I would do without. Jen, right there. Go. Anyways,
Come on, Max.
I mean,
Where Oscar at?
in Simone room. It's moving day, and yeah, so I'm not. This is really nothing special. They just putting everything in the car. So yeah. So far, we just got the bigger things in there, like my clothes, my backpack, cleaning supplies, bedspread, and other little. I'm literally so hot, but I'm so happy that everything is in the trunk now. But no, well, you know, it was a little struggle, but we did it. We did it, girl. One car. We don't need to bring no more. I'm just going up the road anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. But still. Anyways, I just got here, you know, and now we're just going to check in. Right now, I'm signing stuff. But yeah.
I know, you got that in my face.
You ask her. So right now we're just putting up decorations and whatnot. So yeah, cute little room, I guess. I mean, it's better than the one I had last year, for sure, for sure. You know, her
I need the carpet clean, I need the floor, and then once I see all that, and we do the conditioning, then I move forward, and I got somebody that can finish my leather. I just got, I send you the pictures, man, and I'm probably since you're gonna book, I send it to you.
Wow.
Bad in my pocket getting bad.
Wow, you're so good at this.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is where you spend most of your time. You gotta make the best out of it.
Right. Okay, so boom. This is my bathroom. You know. Got this. Got that. You know, just, you know. And I got this on because I got a band-aid and y'all don't want to see what's under there, so. But I gotta go to the bathroom, so.
Then we got to make one trip.
As y'all can see, this is just a little desk with my clothes and stuff in it, like, you know, yeah. But this is some decorations, a mirror, you know, so I can see my fit. This is my lovely bed. You know, I have the, what's this called? The velvet sheets with the purple and, you know, a little sparkle. And then to top it off, I got the black with it, you know. Then we have the flowers. As you can see, very detailed, cute DIY flowers. Very nice. And then you come this way and we have a, you know, a little cute picture, and boom, here's where you do your homework at. You got your computer, phones, pencils, you know, board. And yes, that's my crib. Living room. I guess I'm some other doors I can go out of, other rooms. I really don't know what that is. Then the bathroom.